Hi friends, welcome to Prabhu TechWorks. Today we are going to learn about how to change display resolution and how to connect USB pen drive in the Thin Pro 7 operating system in the thin clients. Alright, first thing is let us check how to change the display resolution. Uh, First thing is you need to change uh, from user mode to admin mode. This is a user mode what we have here. In order to change to admin mode, right click on it, switch to admin mode. Alright, and the default password is root. As I told you in my previous videos, default username is root and default password is root. Alright, when you see this red border on the interface, which means it is in the admin mode. Alright, so now let us check how to change the display resolution. Just click on start menu, control panel, go to hardware. Under hardware, go to display. On display you will be able to see the profiles listed. In case if you have created any profile, you will be able to see the listed over here. I can see here a default profile. Click on it and come to resolution here, and you can change the resolution as per your requirement based on the compatibility. Alright, once you change it, alright, once you change it, you can click on apply. Alright, in case if you want to create a new profile, click on new. You can give a profile name and you can make changes as per your requirement. Click on apply. Right, so next, how to connect uh, pen drive. Alright, so to connect the pen drive and to make some changes to detect, you need to come to USB manager. Alright, so normally when you connect the pen drive, uh, Thin Pro 7, it would get detected. For example, the pop-up which you're going to get right now. Alright, so if you don't get the pop-up, then we will have to configure. Right, for example, you need to select the USB remote protocol USB. In case if you're using Citrix, in case you're using RDP, VMware View, you need to select accordingly where in which platform you're using. For example, now I'm using it on my local system. So to detect on this, I'll select local and click on apply. Alright, when you click on apply, just a moment. Yes, now you can see it has clicked on apply, and now we shall connect the pen drive. Once you connect the pen drive, you can come to the device option. You can see the disk name detected. Alright, so in case if you have any no, software applications to be installed, normally when you connect the pen drive, it should get detected, and you will be able to see the list of softwares which you need to install. Boom, now you are able to see the pop-up. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see the list of softwares. You need to select that and install. Alright, so once you do this, you'll be able to use your pen drive. Alright, so today we have learned about display, and we have learned about the USB manager. Alright, in case if you have any query or any topic to be covered, please leave comment. I'll get back to you with the topic. Let us learn more on that, and for now, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.